friends, welcome to my channel if you're new, or welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to do a gender reveal decorations. This will be great if you need a gender reveal idea to figure out if it's a boy or girl. We're going to go ahead and get started by putting together some baby boxes. And this could take a learning curve for you to end up figuring out how to fold them. It did take me a little bit. I had used them before, but it had been a while and I forgot some. But you're just folding them into each other pretty much to try to lock it in together. And then this is what they look like once you do get them folded. Let's go ahead and finish up the rest of them. Okay friends, right now we're going to go ahead and get the balloons blown up that we're going to use inside the balloon boxes. As you see, the balloon boxes are pink, so we're going to get blue balloons inside the balloon boxes. I do use a balloon tire. It makes it so much easier and faster to get the balloons blown up. When I blow up the confetti balloons, I do take them and rub them around a little bit on the table to go ahead and help the confetti stick. Okay, now it's time to do our flower balloons. And these, we're going to go ahead and use these little flower clips, and you can actually get these from the Dollar Tree. And then you just put them inside the slits, and then you just go around. You can either add 4 or 5 balloons. And then I'm going to add one in the middle. And I'm going to do the same thing what I did with the blue balloons to make some pink balloon flowers also. Okay friends, and now it's time to blow up some more balloons. We're going to get some girl boy question mark balloons blown up in addition to the rest of our balloons that we're going to need for our backdrop. Let's go. And now it's time to get started with putting together our backdrop. And we're going to take the blue curtain fringe first. I'm going to use tacks and tape to hang it up. If you've seen my previous videos, then you know the reason why I like to use tacks and tapes instead of the sticky that it comes with. It just makes it easier to store for later if you plan to reuse it. And now it's time to put up the pink curtain fringe. And now we're going to get ready to hang up some balloons. We're going to make some double-sided tape. I'm just using packing tape. We're going to go ahead and stick those on the back of the balloon for the balloon flowers. And then we're going to go ahead and get those hung up on the backdrop. Now we're going to use some glue dots. We're going to use these to stick onto a few extra balloons. We're going to stick these balloons in between the balloon flowers just to fill it in some. Okay friends, and now it's time to hang up the rest of our balloons on the backdrop. And let's go ahead and set up our baby boxes that we did earlier. And here it is, the final results for the gender reveal decorations. Thanks for watching. Make sure you subscribe to my channel and hit that notification bell. Don't forget to check out my boy and girl baby shower videos, and have a royal day.